Hello guys, today myself Professor Jyoti Thange in EMI lecture number 6. There will be the numerical on the PMMC, that is permanent magnet moving coil. First of all I will read the example. The example is the coil of moving galvanometer wound on a non-magnetic former whose height and width both are 20 mm. It moves in constant field of 0.12 Weber per meter square. Control spring constant is 30 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Newton meter per radian. Find number of turns that must be wound to produce the deflection of 150 with a current of 10 milliampere. This is your problem. Now we have to find the solution. For solution, first of all write down the given data. Here given data is the coil of galvanometer wound on non-magnetic former whose height and width both are same and it is 20 mm. Means L and D are given. Both are same means both are 20 mm. Convert it into standard unit. You will get 20 into 10 raised to power 3 minus 3 meter. 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3 meter. Now it moves in constant field of 0.12 Weber per meter square. Means B is given and it is 0.12 Weber per meter square. Next is control spring constant is given, that is K. Value of K is the control spring constant and it is 30 into 10 raised to power minus 6 Newton meter per radian. Find the number of turns that must be wound to produce the deflection. Deflection means theta and it is 150 degrees Celsius with a current of, that is I is given, 10 milliampere. Okay, this is your problem, and in this convert this value of I in standard unit. You will get 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. Now convert it into radian, that is pi is equal to 180 radian. 150 that is 1 now as we have to convert this theta into a radian and it will be 5 pi by 6 radian. Now this is the given data and we have to find the number of turns, that is we have to find out the value of n. N is equal to what? Find out. We know at a steady state condition, controlling torque is equal to deflecting torque. This is the controlling torque, this is the deflecting torque. Controlling torque is given by the formula K into theta and deflecting torque is N into B L into D into I. Now we have to find the number of turns, means value of N. Calculate for formula for N is equal to K into theta upon BLD into I. Put all values. K is the spring constant and given by 30 into 10 raised to power minus 6. Then theta is 150 degree and converted it into radian, then you will get 5 pi by 6 upon value of the beta, that is flux 0.12 into length is 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Width is also 20 into 10 raised to power minus 3. Into I is the 10 into 10 raised to power minus 3 ampere. Okay. Now do the calculation by using, as this 10 raised to minus 3 means minus 6, cancel with this minus 6. Now do the remaining calculation by using calculator. You will get the number of turns. Complete value is 146 because number of turns is the complete number. Hence you will get the n is equal to 164 turns are there to produce the deflection of 150 degrees. Okay. Now problem number 2 is there. I will read first this problem number 2, that is, a moving coil instrument has a rectangular coil of 80 turns of size 3 into 4 centimeter square and a resistance of 400 ohm and external resistance of 1600 ohm is connected in a series with it to use it as a voltmeter. The coil is located in a field of flux density 0.05 Tesla and the control spring exert a torque of 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton meter per degree of deflection. Calculate the deflection for 250 volt. This is our problem statement, and now we have to find the solution for this. See the solution. Here, solution. First of all, write the given data. Given data is resistance are given, but we can observe here two resistors are there, 400 ohm and 1600 ohm. Both are connected in series, and in series a resistance get added, means you will get the value of total circuit resistance. Total circuit is equal to voltmeter resistance plus external resistance. It is equal to 400 plus 1600 and total resistance is 2000 ohm. Okay. Now the voltage is 250 volt. See here, the voltage is 250 volt and resistance is this. From using this resistance and voltage we can calculate the value of I, that is the current. Current according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R. V is 250 volt upon R is the 2000 ohm as we calculated here. Now by calculating this you will get 0.125 ampere is the current. This is the value of current. Now total torque produced by the instrument when the current is 0.125 ampere, then we have to find out the total torque produced, means you have to calculate the value of TD. And formula for TD is nothing but N into B into L into D into I in Newton meter. NBI into I in Newton meter. N into B into L into D into I in Newton meter. Newton meter is its unit. Now put the values. N is given. Read problem, and here 80 turns are there, means value of N is 80 into flux density 0.05 Tesla, means value of B is 0.05 into L into width is given and it is 3 into 4 centimeter square. Now convert this centimeter into meter. You will get value of L is 4. Here I will write in this side. L is equal to 4 in centimeter, means it is converted into meter. You will get 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter, and D, that is the width, is 3 given here. Convert it into meter, 3 centimeter. You will get 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2 meter. Put this value here. You will get 4 into 10 raised to power minus 2 into 3 into 10 raised to power minus 2, and current is 0.125 ampere. Right? Now do all this calculation with the help of calculator. Then you will get the value of deflecting torque is 6 into 10 raised to power minus 4, and its unit is Newton meter. Right? Now we have to calculate the control spring as the torque or a degree of control spring is, means we can say that exert torque of 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton meter. It is nothing but your spring constant. K is given. K is equal to 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5 Newton meter. Now what we have to calculate? Calculate the deflection. Here see, calculate the deflection means we have to calculate the theta, value of theta. But we know the formula, that is controlling torque. Controlling torque is equal to K into theta, and at steady state condition TC is equal to TD. Means put as TD, value of TD we know, TC we know, put value of TC is the K into theta is equal to TD. We have to calculate the theta, hence keep theta here, and you will get theta is equal to TD upon K. We know the value of TD, that is deflecting torque, 6 into 10 raised to power minus 4 upon spring constant is 0.4 into 10 raised to power minus 5. By calculating this, you will get theta is equal to 150 degree. This is the value of the theta, that is the deflection. This is the deflection. These are the two problems. Next lecture we learn the next problem. Thank you guys.